Dear students, welcome to PMDC online lecture room. Today we are going to discuss the first topic, S and P block elements, present in chapter number 13 of grade 12th chemistry book. This topic is very important for MCQs. The following MCQs appear in annual board exams. MCQ number 1 appear in BISC 2016, MCQ number 2 in 2015, MCQ number 3 in 2007 and 2009, MCQ number 4 in 2006, and MCQ number 5 in annual exam 2004. Students, the outlines of our today's lecture are: introduction of S and P block elements, definition of S and P block elements, and assignment. Let's start from introduction. According to the modern classification, all known elements are classified into 4 blocks in the modern periodic table. These 4 blocks are S block elements, P block elements, D block elements, and F block elements. Now we are going to discuss the S block elements. These S block elements are defined as those elements in which the valence electrons enter into s orbital are called S block elements. For example, alkali and alkaline earth metals. Alkali metals are present in group 1A of the periodic table. They are highly reactive. Due to the high reactivity, they do not occur in free state. They include lithium, natrium, calcium, rubidium, cesium, and francium. Since francium is an artificially prepared, therefore cesium is the most reactive member of alkali metals. Look at this slide. Here we can see lithium, natrium or sodium, calcium or potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium. Alkaline earth metals are present in group 2A of the periodic table. They are less reactive than alkali metals. These alkaline earth metals are beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, and radium. Radium is the only radioactive member of group 2A, which is discovered by Madame Curie. Look at this slide. Here we can see beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, and radium. Dear students, अगर आपको S ब्लॉक एलिमेंट्स याद करने में दुश्वारी पेश आ रही हो तो आप अपनी आसानी के लिए इनको उर्दू में इस तरह से भी याद कर सकते हैं। लैला लिथियम, ने नाट्रियम, की कैलियम, रब रुबिडियम, से सीजियम, फरियाद फ्रांसियम। तो ग्रुप 1A के लिए उर्दू में जो जुमला बना वो है लैला, ने, की, रब, से, फरियाद। जबकि ग्रुप 2 को याद करने के लिए उर्दू का जुमला बाई मेरे कमरे से बाहर रहो। बाई बेरिलियम मेरे मैग्नीशियम कमरे कैल्शियम से स्ट्रॉन्शियम बाहर बेरियम एंड रहो रेडियम। Now we are going to discuss the p block elements. These p block elements are defined as those elements in which the valence electrons enter into p orbital are called p block elements. They include elements of group 3a, 4a, 5a, 6a, 7a and 8a except helium. Look at this slide. Here we can see member of p block elements except helium, which is member of s block element. p block elements को भी उर्दू में आसानी से याद किया जा सकता है। मिसाल के तौर पे ग्रुप 3A के लिए उर्दू का जुमला बाबर अली गिलानी इंडियन थे। बाबर ब्रोन अली एल्यूमिनियम गिलानी गैलियम इंडियन इंडियम थे थैलियम। ग्रुप 4 के लिए काला सिख गया सिंध पंजाब। ग्रुप 5A के लिए नोमान पर असलम साहब बैठे। ग्रुप 6 के लिए ओ साइमा से तुम पूछो। ग्रुप 7 के लिए फायजा को बस इतना उठाओ। ग्रुप 8 के लिए हक नवाज और कामरान जिंदा रहो। Dear students, keep the following key points in your mind. Number 1, elements of group 1A are called alkali metals. Number 2, elements of group 2A are called alkaline earth metals. Now the last part of our today's lecture is assignment. Our assignment consists of 2 questions. Question number 1, which member of alkaline earth metal is radioactive? Question number 2, which element of group 1A is artificially prepared? If you people carefully listen and watched our today's lecture, then you can easily solve this assignment. Thank you very much and take care.